How to fix Epic Games Launcher LS-0006, installation failed. This error means that the Epic Games Launcher is unable to install or update your game. Run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. By running the launcher as an administrator, you ensure there are no permissions issues that could be causing the installation to fail. 1. Exit the Epic Games Launcher if it is open. 2. Right-click on your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. 3. Click on Run as Administrator. 4. Try the installation or update of the game again. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Reinstalling your game may resolve the issue. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Click on the library. 3. Locate your game and click on the three dots next to it. 4. Click on Uninstall. 5. Once the uninstall completes, click on the game to begin the installation process again. Manually remove and reinstall the game. If verifying your game files doesn't resolve the issue, you can try to manually remove your game files from your computer. 1. Close the Epic Games Launcher by right-clicking on the system tray icon and click on Exit. 2. Locate the folder where you installed your game. Note, the default installation directory is C:\program files /Epic Games /3. Right-click on the game folder and click on Delete. 4. Restart the Epic Games Launcher. 5. Reinstall and try launching your game.